Hey everyone, Daniel Rubino here at Windows Central. We're at CES 2019 and check out, this is the Samsung Notebook 9 Pro. It's a refresh from last year's model, but there's a lot going on, so we're going to give you a quick tour, tell you what's new. Stay tuned. All right, check out the Notebook 9 Pro. As you can see here, the lid, pretty familiar design from Samsung, so nothing changed there. But when we turn to the side here, you can see this brand new design that's really elegant looking, and everybody's trying to come up with their own design language, and this is Samsung's, and it just looks really good. You may also notice you have two Type-C ports here, Thunderbolt 3, along with that headphone jack. It's a very thin device, and one thing I really like about it, just how even everything is, straight lines everywhere, everything is parallel, just a really nice design. Turning to the right-hand side, you get another Type-C port, just regular Type-C though. And this right here is the power button combined with a fingerprint reader, so all built into one. And yes, you still get a micro SD slot, which is becoming increasingly very rare on 13-inch laptops like this one. Now turning to the bottom here, you're seeing another frequent design change on modern laptops. So no venting on the bottom, no intakes at all. Instead, you get it on the rear. And again, this is just an excellent design. It looks really beautiful in my opinion. So the air gets pulled in here and also pushed out at the same time. It also works well since this is a 2-in-1 convertible laptop. Now, one thing I'm not a fan of and Samsung hasn't figured out yet is how to get these speakers on the top deck. So yeah, you still got them on the bottom. I'm sure they sound okay, but let's be honest, bottom placement speakers, never great. Now opening up this laptop, you get to see this 13.3-inch full HD display. It is Samsung technology, AMOLED, very good. It gets around 350 nits of brightness. Of course, we'll have to test that later on. Really thin bezels. You still get a web camera on top. It's an okay web camera. We're not blown away by it. If you're expecting Samsung's phone technology to come over into that camera, well, they still haven't figured that out either, but it works. A lot of good stuff happening here with this keyboard. So this year, the keys are now black to give you better contrast. They were silver last time and just looks much better. It also has pretty shallow travel, but it's not too bad. It's more of a modern design of a keyboard. It works though, and I don't really have any complaints so far. And that's only bolstered by this giant trackpad here at the bottom. Reminds me a little bit of HP Spectre design where you get a very long trackpad. And obviously they're maximizing the Z height here as much as possible. These are precision drivers as expected. When it comes to the specifications, you're talking a Core i7-8565U. This model here has 8 GB of RAM, but it probably goes to 16. You also get a Samsung SSD, so all really good performers. No exclusive GPU built into this or anything from NVIDIA, so you're just going to get Intel HD graphics. And what would be a Samsung modern device without a pen? So this is going to be the Samsung Pen for this device. It's not the small one that comes with their other model, which fits into the device itself. So this is more of a professional one, but it works very well. It's still an S Pen technology, and it's just very good, very fluid. Unfortunately, no way to attach it or store it in this device, so you're going to have to stick it in your bag and, well, hope you don't lose it. All right, so there's a quick look at the Samsung Notebook 9 Pro. Now, there's no pricing or availability yet announced for this device. We're expecting it obviously here early in 2019, so stay tuned for that. Overall, though, I like it. It feels nice. It's a really clean looking laptop. I think a lot of professionals are going to really enjoy it, but, well, we'll have to put it through its paces. Leave me a comment below and tell me what you think about it, what Samsung got right, what they did wrong. Thanks for watching. Take care, everyone.